Hi there. Welcome to ExecNote, your complete professional productivity system built in OneNote. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to access and open your notebook and give you some powerful tips for getting the most out of it. You can see our quick agenda. We will talk about accessing your notebook files, whether you're a Windows or Mac user, talk about using the system, give you a few pro tips, things that personally help me on a day-to-day basis. We'll talk about creating and adding your own content, and we'll wrap things up from there. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll find your download links in a Google Drive folder included with your purchase. And you have two main options. Once you access the Google Drive, you've got files here for Windows user. You'll download the .one package file, then double click to open in OneNote desktop, and it'll appear under your notebooks list. Easy as that. For Mac, iPad, or browser users, you're going to use the importer tool linked in the welcome guide, and you'll upload the folder version of the notebook to your OneDrive, then import to OneNote Online. There are other video tutorials on YouTube around how to upload these onto a Mac or browser, so I won't go into too much depth, but these are the folders that you will need in order to follow that process. So let's move on to using the system. Once you've opened these notebooks, you will have them in your OneNote. You'll see we actually have three notebooks included in this package, one for 2025, one for 2026, and one for 2027. Each one contains the year calendar for that year, as well as all of the hyperlinked pages that you'll need for that year. Let's go ahead and start with the 2025 calendar and take a look at how this all works. Once you're in here, you can go to the Command Center. This is your dashboard for accessing all of the other sections. This is a quick place to see all of the features and functionalities that you have available and get to them all very quickly. Let's start with calendars. You can see we have two different calendar options, a Saturday to Sunday calendar and a Monday to Sunday calendar. All of the templates listed below these are formatted as such. Let's stick with the Monday to Sunday for the sake of this tutorial. As we click on the yearly calendar, you can see this gives you the entire year as a snapshot. We've got hyperlink sections to weekly meetings or weekly notes, as well as daily notes. So I'll go ahead and pick a day. Let's say January 25th. And you can see this takes us directly to the page for daily tasks on January 25th. We can go right back to the yearly overview, click on, let's say, week 12, and it'll take us to the weekly tasks for week 12. And you can see all of this is set up as a Monday through Sunday calendar. As we go back to the Command Center, you can also see we have monthly calendars, as well as top priorities and other focus areas for that month. Beyond that, from the Command Center, we can access all of the other areas of the notebook. So if we wanted to go to meeting notes, we've got all of these sections here, goals and vision, as well as projects, strategy, and notes. Let's dive in just a little bit deeper. If we go to one of our meeting notes templates, you can see each one of these has a short blurb at the top that explains how to use this template and who it's for. Beyond that, you can see that each of these templates has pre-created content, and the purpose of this is to help us to see how we might use this. How is this applicable in my daily life? What are some good examples of somebody else that's been using this? So you can see some examples that are built here. It's really easy to clear these out. All you have to do is highlight your cells and hit delete, and away they go. And you can start typing in and adding your own content. You can see that the table structure also stays intact as you type or add more cells, which is one of the key features of this notebook. Some quick pro tips to help you use this as a power user. Managing tables is really not difficult. You saw that I'm removing cells, adding cells. All you have to do is highlight, press delete. If you type something in here and you want to remove things from the cells, if you don't highlight the entire row, it'll just remove the content. But if you highlight the entire row, it removes all of the cells. Clicking Control Enter is the shortcut to add more cells, quick and easily, just like that. You can add your own table by going to Insert and adding a table. And just like that, you can create your own sections. Beyond that, I like to use the date and time key features a lot of the time. So whenever we put decision made and decision time, let's just say, for example, here we got stakeholder approval to move forward with phase 1. Decision time. At this point, I will use my keyboard shortcut to insert the date and time, and that's Alt-Shift-F. I use this all the time. Highly recommend everybody else learns this. Beyond that, if I wanted to take a note for myself, one of the other quick shortcuts that I use is Windows key Alt-N to create a pop-up window for a quick note. Remember to follow up with Phil. And I don't need to put that on the meeting notes, but I can keep that off to the side for myself. And one of the last pro tips I'd like to share with you today is using collapsible content. So let's head over to another section. Let's take a look here. If we go down on the team meeting template for Quick Sync version 1, there's a section called accomplishments. And you can see that there are collapsible sections here. These are very easy to create in OneNote. A lot of people don't know this, but you can see this little handle right next to any item that has an indented area below it. And when you double click, it collapses it, and you double click to open it. And you can create as many sections as you want. If I wanted to create another one for Q1 of next year and add accomplishments, I can easily collapse that section also. Now, with that, I want to talk about creating and adding your own content. Obviously, we've given you a lot of tools to use here, but just remember, this is built in OneNote and it's not a proprietary app. That means that your calendars, your tasks, and sections, they're all fully editable, and you can manage the structure. You can use these to create your own templates. If you want to add a page for anything, all you have to do is click Add Page. And from here, you can pick and choose all of the template items that you'd like to bring on to a page of your own. Simply copy and paste, and you can copy and paste individual sections, or you can copy and paste entire templates, and they're ready to go, easy to use. So with that, I'd like to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. ExecNote is built for professionals who want to clarify, structure, and control their day. Whether you're leading projects, setting goals, or managing meetings, the system is here to support your best work. If you found this helpful, subscribe to us on YouTube, favorite us on Etsy, and check your email for updates and bonus templates.